What's the meaning of abscond? Abscond. 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 To abscond means to depart secretly and hide oneself, especially to avoid arrest or prosecution. The word comes from the Latin abscondere, meaning to hide away. When someone absconds, they typically do so without warning and with the intention of avoiding detection. Absconding can be a serious offense, and those who are caught absconding may face criminal charges. Here are some examples of how the word abscond can be used in a sentence. The bank robber absconded with millions of dollars. The embezzler absconded to a foreign country to avoid prosecution. The witness absconded before she could testify in court. If you are ever in a situation where you believe someone may be planning to abscond, it is important to contact the authorities immediately.